Well, today I'm going to show you how I make my keto bread. You know, guys, that I'm already on keto diet, so I watch out what I eat. I try to watch out what I eat. And I'm a kind of person that I love bread so much that I can't, that I often miss it. So I search on the internet, and this is how I make a no-bake, easy keto bread. So first, you will need an almond flour. I couldn't find any blanch almond flour. I bought it in the Philippines. This is one of my whole super fine natural almond flour I'm going to be using. I bought this also baking powder from the Philippines, Queen. You will need baking powder, salt. Actually, it's just a pinch of salt that we need, and any vegetable oil, but I'm using today, this is what I have in the kitchen. It's the canola pure oil, and 1 egg. So I will be needing 2 plastic containers. All measurement I'll put in the description box below. So let's do this. 1 tablespoon of almond flour over there. Let me get a fork. And then a pinch of salt. Just put a pinch of salt. Yeah, that's look like a pinch of, for me, a pinch of salt. Then half teaspoon of baking powder. There you go. This looks like half teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, any kind of vegetable oil. Then you stir it, thoroughly stir it. Give me a second. I'll just stir it. This is what it looks like after you stir it thoroughly. Then we're gonna put on our egg. I'm just gonna put the egg here because I don't want to shell on my bread. Let's break it. You stir it, stir it, stir it. It's actually 1 whole egg, guys. Just stirring it before I put it on the bread. Stir it properly. And then you just put it over here. Then again, you stir all the ingredients. Stir it, stir it. Good stir, guys, huh? Okay, let me put down the camera and stir. After a good stir, it will look like this, guys. What I'm saying, after a good stir, it would look like this. It will be nice if your almond flour is like blanch because it's super fine. But anyways, this is what I'm using now, and it also works for me. So I'm gonna put this, pop this in the microwave oven for 90 seconds. Give me a second. I'm gonna put this in the microwave oven for 90 seconds. You don't just do like this. It's still hot, guys, so it's not perfect shape. And also see the texture, it's fluffy, it's still hot, guys. Anyway, I'm just gonna wait for a bit and I'm gonna cut it. So I'm just wait a bit to cool it down because I can't hold it to cut it. There you have it, guys, your own bread, your own keto bread. Cut it into half so it would look like a bun, and you can serve it with butter, cheese, whatever you want to put, which is keto friendly also. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.